makes the forest bright. Wings take off in golden light. Songs arise with gentle cheer, opening the day so clear. Forest bird choir voices ring, nature's art in everything. Chirp and trill in joyful tune, dancing under sun and moon. Sparrows sing so soft and light, trees all listen in delight. Nightingales with silver song, laughing finches join along. Forest bird choir voices ring, nature's art in everything. Chirp and trill in joyful tune, dancing under sun and moon. Crows resound in voices low, owls await the night to glow. Breezes breathe a tender rhyme, blending colors into time. Leaves applaud with a rustling grace, streams hum softly in their place. Songs ascend into the sky, carried where the echoes fly. Forest bird choir voices ring, nature's art in everything. Chirp and trill in joyful tune, dancing under sun and moon.